After a beautiful day across the region, we've got showers, even a couple severe thunderstorms off to the north. Those will head through tonight. We'll let you know what to expect, not just tonight, but on through the rest of the week coming up in this video. And welcome in, everybody, to this Monday night edition of Region Weather here on YouTube. We've got a pretty decent change that's going to happen in the forecast overnight tonight and then tomorrow, and it's spring, so would you expect anything less? But here's what's going on. We've got an area of showers and thunderstorms along a very potent cold front. This thing's got an area of low pressure off to the north. It's dragging these showers around, but there's a jet stream wind kind of punching into it. So we have damaging winds that have actually developed near the Green Bay area. We'll zoom on in to take a look at some of those storms that we've got up towards that region. These are moving really quickly. In fact, they're hauling down to the south and the east around 60 miles per hour. You can see that leading edge getting into Green Bay now, heading over towards areas near Oshkosh, Wisconsin. This line extends down to the south, and it'll probably clip the Madison area. Do we get some severe weather out of this? I'm not too confident in that. I do think we'll have some gusty showers, though, including some of these out front that are approaching the Chicago area here this evening. They're capable of bringing some of the wind down from the upper levels of the atmosphere as that jet stream kind of rushes into it. So some of these may pack winds 30, 40 miles per hour, much stronger with some of those off to the north. But bottom line, this is all along a cold front that's going to roll in here tonight. And look at these temperatures, the difference between what we've been dealing with today. We're in the 60s, and it was just a beautiful day, lots of sunshine. The clouds have filled in, but we go where this front is now from the 60s back to the 50s, the 40s, and we're holding back 30s in areas of Wisconsin. This cold air over the course of the week is going to kind of clip the Great Lakes, so we're not going to get a direct shot, but we're also not going to get the warmth down to the south. We're going to be kind of in betweenville here as we go throughout the week. So let's get to the weather maps and take a look at what we're dealing with as we go through the rest of the week. Okay, so let's show you what happens with this front as this rolls through tonight. You can see some of those gusty showers. This is going to happen 11 o'clock, midnight, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Still likely some shower activity around. Look at the gusty winds, though. Those winds really going to ramp up out of the north. The waves on Lake Michigan really going to churn up as well. And yeah, that's lake effect snow out towards our east. We're not going to deal with that. We've got too much dry air moving in here in a hurry. I think we break out into sunshine tomorrow, but it'll be much cooler. Temperature's going to struggle to get out of the 40s. That's a high pressure that'll set up thereafter. This is tomorrow night. That'll turn our wind around, or back around, let's just say, out of the south again. So another quick changing weather pattern there, and a little system will ride kind of that boundary between our warmer air we're trying to get into tomorrow night and the colder air off to the north, and that will kick off some showers mixed with snow north and east of here. Thankfully, that snow will stay away. I keep my promise, stays, right? But then we turn showery after that. There's a little boundary that's going to hang out on into your Wednesday night and Thursday, and then this area low pressure down to the south is going to affect us with just some clouds and periodic rain showers as we go throughout our Thursday afternoon. In terms of temperatures, I hope you enjoyed today because we're going downhill from there, at least temporarily. You can see what that front does to our temps, bringing that cold air. But again, it's not a direct hit of that. It's kind of fleeting. So we'll be right on the edge of that. I think high temperatures tomorrow in the upper 40s ought to do it. That sunshine's going to feel much warmer as well, probably 15 degrees or so warmer as you get out in the sun. And the wind will relax tomorrow afternoon as well. So I think a pretty delightful afternoon. High pressure sets up shop, as I mentioned, on Wednesday, and then we deal with that boundary kind of lingering over the area. Look at the difference. We should make it well up into the 50s to near 60 across the region. You head up into Berrien County in Michigan, they're stuck in the 40s. Just a very sharp temperature contrast there, and we should remain on the warmer side of things as we go throughout the rest of your Wednesday, and even Thursday not looking too bad at this point either. So we'll close with this, just a wide out view of the system moving in, a beautiful area of low pressure on satellite spinning just north of Lake Superior there. There's the cold front that's dragging in, and there's the potent showers that we're going to get here overnight tonight. Don't be surprised if you have some gusty winds with those, and then windy and cooler to start tomorrow, and then eventually we'll start to calm things down as we go into tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Thanks for checking us out. We'll talk to you soon.